My name is Rex Howard. I work for Austin Commercial. The last few weeks I've been on loan to Austin Bridge, setting bridge beams in Bonham, Texas, Highway 82. Here today, for the last week I've been running the 1400. It's a very impressive machine. The tracks, the handling, the technology that Link-Belt's done is incredible. The computerization, the screening, the functions, it's operator friendly. It's a very stable machine. And what we're doing now with the beams that we're setting, it's well within its target weight and working radiuses as well as working weights.
I'm Kevin Wallace. I work for Austin Bridge and Road. I've been working with them for 5 years. I've been running a crane for approximately 30 plus years. We actually have 14 moves on this site from bridge to bridge. We have to tear it down and move 14 different times. And being self-assembly, it is so nice. You can drop your weights, take your own tracks off, load it on the truck. You don't have to have an assist crane or anything. And that is awesome. When I first looked at the cranes, the cameras, I couldn't believe all the cameras on it, and that makes life so much easier on the job and safer. I think the total weight of these are right at 70,000. I'm in boom mode E5, which if you look in the chart, it best suits this application. I have 101 foot of boom out. And my max radius for these beams is the 75 feet, which that's out there. Swinging them into place, and actually this is a 2-crane pick. It's no problem whatsoever with this crane.
Again, power, your swing, your hoisting, it's a remarkable machine.